Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Got some emails because I missed one of my memory videos last Sunday, but I pre-scheduled this stuff and something went wonky. And so I've rescheduled that video to drop it another time. And this is a memory. When I was a little boy, I told y'all about my cleaning fish as my first big business venture. And but the place where I cleaned the fish at, the guy that owned the place had gotten a hook in his finger. Well, one thing about down there was plenty of doctors and all that down there. Well, there was one doctor that was supposedly one of the best doctors around. So he took and he had the string off the hook, and he walked up there and had an old towel wrapped around it. And because I was with him, because I was nosy and I wanted to see what was going to go on. So he looked at it, examined it, and he said, well, you'll need to get in, schedule surgery and all this. And he said, Doc, I can't do that. And he said, well, there's nothing I can do. And so anyway, he went back to the store, and another doctor just so happened he was there. He came up. He was in his boat, and I think he had been in the sauce a little bit. Well, he looked at it, and he said, we need some needle nose pliers. So I was the errand boy. And so I ran, found some needle nose pliers, come back with those. And we needed some wire cutters. So, because the hook had gone all the way through, the barb was on the other side under his nail. And so we needed some wire cutters. I ran, got those. Well, ended up by this time, there was a couple men had come up. They were looking. And the guy with the hook, he requested a drink of liquor. And the doctor said, yeah, you probably need a drink of liquor. So one of the other guys told me what his vehicle looked like. And he said, if you look under that passenger seat, there's a bag. He said, go up there, son, you bring that bottle of liquor down there for this man. So I went up there, unsupervised, got a bottle of liquor, and brought that back down there. Right? He took quite a few swigs just out the bottle. Guy didn't care that owned the liquor, I guess. He took quite a few swigs. Well, this doctor, he cut the barb off the other end. And right about where that little curve would be, he got them needle nose pliers in there. So he looked at both the gentlemen. He said, now, fellas, this is where y'all come in. He said, I want one of you to put a leg in front of this guy's legs away from me. One hold one arm and one hold the other. Well, I'm sitting there looking. They don't send me away or nothing. And I'm like, well, why is that? And he takes those needle nose pliers, and he told the guy, he said, look, he said, I want to let you know I'm fixing to snatch this thing out. And the guy said, I understand. And you get, this guy was turning white. He was already white, but he was just getting pasty, pale white. Well, anyway, that doctor took, and he said, are you ready? And I think the guy thought there was going to be a count. So the guy closed his eyes. By that time, that doctor snatched the hook out, and the guy's legs buckled. The other guys held him up, and he came to. But this guy, he was old, retired military guy. He's tough. And I was holding the liquor. And he told me, he said, take that top off. And he drunk quite a good bit then. And doctor told him to gauge it up and do that. And he said, well, how much I owe you, Doc? He said, give me a drink of that liquor and we'll call it even. And it, it was just one of those funny things. And he never was bothered from it. He did put some kerosene on it, though. And that was the first I remember hearing about kerosene until I had some put on me. But it was one of those things as a kid you saw and got to witness. Nowadays, people be running to the doctor and all. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.